last video that I'm doing tonight. And I'm going to bed, and then I got to go unplug a sump pump and come back. What is it? This is cool, actually. I'm going to open it up and I'll show you. I thought it was cool. What is it? It's a vintage can of ESSO and 1 pound of MP grease H. Imperial oil. Modernized by constant research, manufacturing laboratory tested and rigid, dependable, uniform, economical. 1 pound. Let's use any grease in here. I cleaned off the top because it was really greasy. So, and it's a grease container. Look at that. Grease. Greasy, greasy. Smells fresh. You want to smell? Sniff. Smells very petroleum-y. Very much like petroleum. And looks like it's been used and abused. I even got grease all over me. It's a greasy job, but somebody's got to do it. So why did I buy a can of grease? Why not? Should I use it? I don't know. I'll probably just put it on my shelf. I thought it was cool. Here's the back of the can. You can read it if you want. And if you want to read the other side, 1 pound of... I thought it was cool. I usually never see these things get rusty though. It's rare to see grease cans and oil cans get all rusty, but occasionally it happens. Am I cleaning it off? Of course. Put it on my shelf of shame over there. Yeah, look at that. Comes off comes nice and clean. Clean! I'm cleaning a grease can. Taking all the years of patina off it. The bottom seems like it's okay. Not too much ickiness. But yeah, it's looks nice. Vintage can of grease. I'm supposing I could, what do you call it? Use the grease, and then if I need be, I'll just put some modern grease in it. I don't think we're gonna find this. I honestly don't think you're gonna find the same. And who knows? I could not know jack diddly about grease, but I would assume that the stuff they made back in the day is not the same as the stuff they make today, because they don't make anything the same these days. Everything's scrap. Everything's crapola. So there we go. 1 can of grease. I don't know what the 59 means. Maybe it's 1959. There's a 59 at the top, and you can see it. Is it 59 cents? 1959. What else? Made in Canada. Imperial oil. I wonder what year this is. Well, first of all, I don't think they've made these in Canada in a while. I don't know. Who the hell makes... I don't think anybody makes grease in Canada. Maybe they do. Also, I have a question. I'm not really sure what this is for, but does anybody know what ESSO MP grease H means and what this would be used for? Pretty sure they don't sell this at the sex shop. I mean, it'd be pretty weird if they did. Yeah, this is for H, for horny people. Anyway, before I get demonetized or whatever, not demonetized, I'm not even monetized, before I get jacked and start making jokes. I don't know, let me know what you think. It's a pretty greasy video. Thanks for watching. Actually, I better hold this up so I can take a snapshot and make a good thumbnail out of it. So, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and grease on. Ta-da.